Welcome back to Cooking with Zed, Vlog 4. Today we got a special treat. We're going to be making something special and very dear to my heart today. We are going to be making chicken la. It is an Asian style chicken dish that is native to my country. And I hope you guys enjoy. And we're going to head straight into the intro. Alright, the key ingredient for the chicken la is the chicken. And we're using fried chicken because it's already pre-seasoned. And we're going to pop this in the microwave and then we'll get back. Oh, well. Hello, welcome back. We just heat the chicken up just for a little bit. We don't want it too hot because then the seasoning will overtake it and make it saltier than we want it to. But so now all we gotta do is chop this up, and then we gotta chop up a couple veggies, and stay tuned because that's gonna be really quick like a snap. Okay, next we gotta cut vegetables because we don't just want minced chicken. But first we gotta show you the seasonings that we got today. So we got these two seasonings we'll be adding. This is the regular last seasoning. This makes it a little bit spicier. And then we also have over here good old fish sauce. And now we're going to grab our bell peppers and cilantro and we're going to cut that up and we'll be right back. So you guys will get to watch this real quick. So we're going to get our spicy seasoning right here. And there's a little spoon in here. You want to add maybe about this much. Just sprinkle it over. And the key thing to remember, do not add your vegetables until after you season. Because if you add them before, then it's going to water down the seasoning and we're going to get some really untasty la. And then we also got the regular seasoning. And we're going to grab the spoon right here. Oh wait, I mixed it up. That was the unspicy. This is the spicy. You only want to grab like a little bit to your liking. We'll put a little bit more. Oh shoot. That's good. All right. Now let's get to assembly. Alright, good. So welcome back. Now we're at the food review. And we got our decently cold rice. Yeah, it's purple rice. I don't know how to make it. But this thing smacks when you eat it with the thing of chicken la. And I think I did pretty well. It only took me, 30 minutes? Alright, now let's dig in. Gotta get some bell peppers, cilantro, shaking all that. That's pretty good. Alright. Thank you so much guys for watching this video today. Be sure to tune in to more because we might bring this series back. Who knows? We might actually bring the series back. But anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell to see if I post any new videos. And I don't know, I guess this is it. Time for the outro.